Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin or owner permissions, otherwise deletion will fail. Next, find the thread ID using the UI, an API list call, or a quick SQL query. Copy the exact numeric ID. Once done, create a backup. Export the thread JSON or take a database snapshot so you can restore if needed. Now that ID and backup are ready, proceed to the deletion command or API endpoint without delay. You perform the deletion with safety in mind. Start with a soft delete by toggling deleted equals true or moving the record to an archive table so you can undo. If using an API, call delete/thread/ID with your auth token and any required 2FA. Inspect the JSON response. If working directly in the database, begin a transaction, remove child rows first to maintain referential integrity, then delete the parent thread row, and only commit once all checks pass. You finish by verifying the deletion. Confirm API returns 204 or that a select by ID returns no row, and validate related resources are cleared. If something went wrong, restore from the snapshot or reinsert the archived JSON record. Do that before making other changes. If the delete failed, check common issues: insufficient permissions, foreign key constraints, active locks, or server error logs. Once resolved, retry the same safe sequence and commit only when verification succeeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.